Welcome to another episode of Spice Try. Today, we are giving a popular and much loved breakfast dish a twist of fusion. So let's start making SHEZWAN POHA. Let's begin by marinating bite-sized chicken in salt, vinegar, and SHEZWAN sauce. Next, we prep the veggies. Let's start with finely chopping garlic, finely chopping ginger, finely chopping green onions, followed by chopped cabbage, carrot, capsicum, and chilies. We start cooking by frying the ginger, garlic, and green chilies in oil. Add some salt, followed by the marinated chicken. Give all of them a good toss before we add the veggies. First come the chopped spring onions, then the carrots, followed by the chopped cabbage, add in 2 teaspoons of SHEZWAN sauce, and then our final vegetable, capsicum. And now it's time for the hero ingredient, pre-soaked poha. Give it a good toss so that everything mixes up together. Cover with the lid and steam. Plate it up and garnish it with some fried noodles before serving. We hope you liked this video, and we promise you there are more coming your way. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share.